Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we are learning how to change crosshair color in PUBG. Changing crosshair color in PUBG can be helpful for better visibility and aim. Here is how you can easily do it. Launch the PUBG game open and wait for the main lobby. Once you're inside this lobby screen as appearing on the screen, go ahead and tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner, and from the expanded menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, go to Crosshair and Effects on the right corner, and once you're inside this page, go ahead and choose a crosshair color you want for your game from the color palette option. Choose the crosshair according to your preference. You can also select the crosshair type or style at the bottom. Choose your crosshair according to your preference from the menu. You can also go ahead and adjust the red dot sight, holographic sight, candid sight, and other options on the page. After making a selection for the crosshair type you want, you can now leave this page by tapping on the cross icon at the top right, and you'll be able to change your crosshair color right away in PUBG. Now your crosshair will stand out better, helping you aim faster and more accurately in intense fights. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.